No, it's a different channel. Possibly this one.
Until 2 a.m. Sophia.
That was on channel 6.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, Banks County in northeastern Georgia, southern White County in northeastern Georgia, Hall County in north-central Georgia, central Jackson County in northeastern Georgia until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Baldwin to Warrior Park, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh my god.
Locations impacted include Gainesville, Jefferson, Commerce, Cleveland, Homer.
Please, it's your for Cobb already.
Maysville, Austin, Alto, Claremont, Pendergrass, Gillsville, Talmo, Raoul, Peach State Speedway, Pinefield Crossroads, Mossy Creek, Murrayville, and Apple Valley. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Alright.